What's up, people? Welcome back to Rhys channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today we're back on DeadBolt. And yeah, this is going to be interesting. I'm not sure how this is going to really work out. I may not even complete a level today because that last level that we got left on was a bitch. But I'm hoping with a fresh perspective and a fresh mind, we should be able to do this, as it's been like a week since I played this last. Dear God, if I don't do well, we probably won't play this game again. Here we are. Now, if memory serves, we sippity-doo-dah over here like this. Then we walk in here, pop straight back out, killed. Then we zip up, bang, poppity-doo-dah, poppity-day. Now, can we just... what have we got here? Tactical SMG. Alright, everyone's good. These guys are mildly alerted. You're dead. Now we take a tactical shotgun. Like a couple of fucking awesome gangsters. We boogie the fuck on out of here. Right, let's close that off for a second. Let's just consider what we have to do here. We need to kill these guys, right? I died. Good fucking job, Rhys. Right, try it again. Try that again. Okay, I don't even know how I died that time. Well, okay then. Okay, that was my fault. I'll chalk that one up to me, okay? I will chalk that one up to me. That was my bad. Okay, cool. He died. That was lucky, because we actually ran out of ammunition, so... pretty important that he did die when he died. Oh God! Oh come on! I got back down the toilet. I swear I did, mummy. Right. Okay. It's fine. We're working this out. There's going to be no edits in this. There's nothing. Even that weird, awkward moment where I just said mummy. Okay? None of this is getting edited out today. We're just going to do this. We're going to go for it. We're going to fucking have it out like a couple of fucking adults. Yeah? We're not fighting anymore like girls. We're fighting like men. Men kick the shit out of vampires. I guess. Maybe. I don't know anymore. I don't really know. I don't fucking know. I'll tell you one thing though. Feeling like my tactic over here not paying off for me too well. Okay. Where does this lead me to then? Yeah. Alright, they're all sorts of like, what the shit happened, man? Running around, okay. Where does this leave us? They're all like freaking out down there now. Okay, cool. Anyone fancy getting on the loo? No? No, you're all good? Fuck, I got into the one and only toilet that literally leads me only to here. I closed the door! I closed the door. Fuck off. Okay. Come on. Come out here. Fight me like a man. Alright. Okay. I mean, I'm doing all I can at this point because, you know, I literally have fucked myself over. Oh my God. It can, I was going to say, can it be done? Can I punch a vampire to death? Answer to the age-old question is no, you fucking can't. Okay. Right, everyone having a shit has left the building. Oh, fuck! Brilliant. Fucking brilliant. Oh my god. I think the tactical shooting headhunter fucking gun is probably going to be our best fracking shot, to be honest. Well, death is always an option, guys. Now you have to remember that in life. Whatever you do. I love the way that woman just does not notice me whatsoever. It's like just having a shit, just chilling. Maybe a pee, sit down a little pee, you know. I threw my hammer over his head. Oh man, I pretend to be happy, but inside I'm mad angry. Boom. There's quite a few of them up here now. All quite ragey. What are you guys up to? Hey, just going to the loo, eh? I'm just hanging out in the toilet, me old mate. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I like the smell of poo. Stinking boy. What are you guys up to? Oh! Alright, headshot gun is not where it's at. Tactical SMG. Let's crack back on with that again. Now, didn't realise there was actually a gun there. Did not see that last time. Okay. Didn't know that was a thing. Oh, crikey. Okay. Alright. This is it now. Right. Don't lose faith in me. Don't lose faith. We got this on lockdown still, okay? I promise you. So, we're going to do this and this. Kill that guy. Kill him. Go out. Gonna go out. We're gonna go outside. Something I previously hadn't thought about doing. Then we're gonna go up. We're gonna grab the tactical fucking shotgun. Once again, another thing previously had not thought about doing. So now we're here. We're left at this awkward predicament of life. And we need to kill these guys. And I think we could class that as done. Yeah, aubergine. So now that guy is dead. Right, okay, we need to kill these couple up here. I need to kill these lot in here. Which, would you believe, is actually quite the task to do. Okay, these bitches are down here. Yeah, so we go for it. Holy crap! Alright, we're doing alright! I'm gonna go for it again. Come on down, bitch. Okay. That went surprisingly better than I thought it was going to. Okay, so what have we got up here? Anyone? Oh, God. Tactical shotgun. Come on at me, bro. I'm pumped. I'm fucking ready. Right, those fucking bitches have gone down there. Okay, yeah, you go down there. I'm out of here. I got one more to kill. No weapon. No weapons. I've got a hammer. Oh god. I tell a lie. There is that weapon there, but god, am I gonna be able to get that? I don't know. Let's assess the situation. It is just the one guy left. Will he come out and just not involve anyone else? I don't think that's possible, is it? I'm gonna die. No matter how I handle this. No matter what I do, even though my phone is ringing right now. Good job, good job. Shh, phone, shh. I have got no hope. I don't know what to do! If I fall out, I'm fucked. Oh god, I've done it. I think I did it. Get in a cab. Who's left? Who's left? I have to kill everyone. Right, they seem alerted, but they're not. Alright, we killed all them guys. Okay. Let's pray to the living God that that's as easy as it is for the next set as well. I very much doubt it though, because it's like daytime in that fucking room. Stage clear. I think we did it! I'm so confused! Okay, those guys didn't fight back, so maybe it's only the ones with the arrows on that will fight you. The rest don't. Either way, we did it. We did it. Wow. Oh god, that took so long. 16 minutes, 25 minutes. Oh god, that was insane. Okay, right. Well, we're going to leave that episode there, guys. We did it though. Champions. That means there'll be another episode next week. And maybe I'll try and do more than one, I don't know. It depends how hard the levels are. Sometimes you get the easy ones that you can just plough through, and then sometimes you get one like that and it's just unbelievably hard. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Should we burst straight into it like a fucking couple of bad boys? So people, welcome back to Rhys King channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today Tom is licking the sky. That's going to be in there. And we are back on the podcast. Oh no! Right, we swirly whirled my moustache. Now surely the power has been infused into my skin.